Hello, good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are okay at your home and 2.5 months nearly. You have enjoyed your holidays. Now we will be back to work, and due to this pandemic situations, we have to take this online sessions for you, as we all teachers are taking efforts for this online sessions, and we are providing at your place, at your home, we are providing these videos for you. So it's your duty and your responsibility to just listen and go through these videos. Even videos or audios we are sending for you, so go through these videos and listen carefully. Wherever necessary, the homeworks will be given that you have to complete at home every day. Okay. Oh, sorry. Myself, Mrs. Amita Shah. You may be surprised to see me. I am your new teacher. I'll be there for 6 to 8 math subject and 8th standard science. So this session, first I start with the 6th standard maths, and our first chapter is knowing the numbers. You might have used the different numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 up to thousands, lakhs, crores. Okay, have you used these numbers at your home? Okay, in which situations you are using the numbers? Can you tell me? So first you have to list out in which situations you are using these numbers, like 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, I am giving you that is you are very near to and very lovely and very, yes, your favorite, that means mobile. So you are using numbers on the mobile to tap the mobile number. Okay, likewise, in which situations at or where are you use these numbers in everyday day-to-day life. Okay, now about the numbers, you have in HKG standard also. From LKG, HKG you have studied 1, 2, 3, 4, then 100, then 1000, lakhs and crores. Okay, so these first I'm going to explain you about the one digit number, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are only one digit number. Okay, so this one digit number you are giving a place. Okay, you are giving a place, that is ones place. So one digit number we are giving, like see, you are a person and your mother and father given you some name like this. For one digit number we have given the name as ones place. Then if we go to the two digit number like 78, so in two digit numbers there are two places. One is ones place and other is tens place. Okay, so when we start from left side and right side. First right side number, that is ones place. Then as we go to left, the second number will be of tens place. 78, 7 is on tens place, 8 is on ones place, that you might have studied earlier. Okay, like this. Then three digit numbers, that is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Then comes four digit number means ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands. Then five digit number, the places are ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000. Okay, like this. There are lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Okay, up to 10 crores we are going to see the numbers up to your 10th standard. So first is how to compare the two numbers. Okay, I'll give you the example, that is see, there are 4 boys standing and there are 10 girls standing. Then how will you compare the boys and girls? Which number is greater, girls or boys? You definitely say the girls are more, because you count the girls, that these are 10 girls and there are 4 boys. So the group when you see the group, two groups, you can see the more girls than the boys. So you compare the boys and girls as girls are more and boys are less in number. Like this, we are going to compare the bigger numbers now. So, while comparing these numbers, I will tell you the trick first. How to find this comparison easily. Okay. So, if there is a 4-digit number, okay, that is 1234. That is the one number, and other number I have given you 3. So first step, what you have to do, first you have to count the digits of the given number. So I have given you 3 number, that is of only 1 digit, and here I had given you 1234, that is of 4 digits. So which number is greater, 4-digit number or 1-digit number? Obviously 4-digit number. So the conclusion is 1234 is greater than 3. Now next step, if both the numbers are of same digit, that is one number is of 4 digit, other number is also of 4 digit, then what will you do? In that case, you know that places, ones place, tens place, 100 place and 1000 place. In these 4 places, which one is the biggest place? Thousands place, then comes hundreds place, then comes tens place, and then comes ones place. So thousands place is the bigger and ones place is the smaller. Okay. So first we will see the thousands place of both the numbers. Okay. As that is a 4-digit number, ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. So we have to compare the thousands place first of the both the numbers. If both the numbers have different thousands place, that is one number is 4 on the thousands place, other is 9, then which number is bigger? 9. So automatically the number, which number is greater, which includes the 9 at thousands place, that number is bigger. Okay, I will explain this on the blackboard now. I have written all the numbers here for comparison. These are the 4-digit numbers that we have written. First, check that I have already explained about this. When you see these 2 numbers, 8,999 and this is 9,000. So our first check is check the thousands place digit. This is your thousands place. Unit place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Here also unit place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. First we have to check the thousands place. So at thousands place, in this number there is a 8 and in this number there is a 9. So if we compare 8 and 9, which number is bigger? 9. So the 9,000 is bigger than 8,909. You don't need to go for the further numbers. आपको ये आगे के नंबर देखने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है कि नहीं मैजिक? यानी 8,999 में ये सब 0 है और ये सब 9 है, तो इसमें आपको लगेगा कि ये बड़ा है, लेकिन नहीं. आपको क्या चेक करना है? यू हैव टू चेक द थाउजेंड्स प्लेस, जो हमने पहले चेक की है. यहाँ पे हमने कंपेयर किया, बाकी आगे का नंबर कुछ भी हो, हमें उससे कुछ भी ये नहीं है. नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 7,300. व्हेन यू चेक thousands place, then if in the 4-digit number the thousands place is same, in both the numbers the thousands place is same, that is here also 7, here also 7, that is 7,320, 7,920. Here the thousand place is same. Then we will go to hundreds place. Here the at hundreds place number is 3. In this number the hundreds place number is 9. So which number is greater? 9. So automatically 7,920 is greater than 7,320. No need to go for the further numbers. आपको ये दोनों नंबर देखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Just you have to compare the hundreds place. Okay. Now we will go to next step. When thousands place and hundreds place, both the numbers are same for the both numbers. That is, here I have given you the example 2648, 2658. Here thousands place and hundreds place both are same. Then you have to go to tens place. In the tens place, there is a 4. Here in this number, the tens place value is 5. So we are going to compare these two numbers only, 4 and 5. So the number 5 is bigger. So ultimately 2658 is bigger than 2648. No need to look at these remaining numbers. Okay. So you got this. So which number is greater? 2648 is less than 2658. Here also 7320 is less than 7920. Here 8999 is greater than 9000. Now next 1005. Sorry, one correction here. I have told you that 8909 is greater, not this is greater, this is less than 9000. Okay, then we will come to last point, that is first we have seen the 4 digits. First place, thousand place is same, tens place, sorry, hundreds place is same, tens place is also same. Then we comes at the unit place, which is 9 and 5. So which number is greater in the units place? 9. So ultimately the number 1009 is greater than 1005. I think you know the sign for greater and smaller. When these two legs are signing towards the greater number, and this is head, we can call this as head. This head is pointing towards the smaller number. That you have to keep in mind. Okay. So have you all clear about the comparison of the numbers? Okay, in this chapter I just want to add up one thing, that whenever we study one digit number are from 0 to 9, that we have already known that one digit number starts from 0 and it ends with 9. So the opening number will be smallest number and ending number will always be the biggest number. So these are the one digit numbers. Here the smallest one digit number is always 0 and 9 is always the biggest number of one digit. When you add 1, that is 9 plus 1, what is the answer? 10. Okay, 9 plus 1, 10, which is the smallest 2-digit number. So whenever you add 1 to the previous digit, then that will be the smallest number for the another digits. So 10 is the smallest 2-digit number, and the ending number, biggest number is 99. That is, smallest number 2 digit is 10, biggest number is 99. When you add 1 to the 99, the answer is 100. So the smallest 3-digit number is 100 and biggest 3-digit number is 999. When you add again 1 to 999, answer is 1000. So 1000 is 4-digit smallest number. 9999 is the biggest 4-digit number. Likewise, you can add up to the 5-digit, 6-digit, 7-digit. Here I want to give you the hint that whenever the 0 comes and you add 1 to the zeros, that will be the smallest number, and 999, these are the biggest numbers. So if the question is asked as 4-digit greatest number, the greatest number 9 you know. So 9999 is the 4-digit number, so that is the biggest number. And if they ask you 5-digit smaller number, so how many times zeros are come? 4 zeros and 1 1. So 10000, that is 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. Have you got this? So that is the hint for you. Now next, if I give you some numbers 3, 0, 4 and 9. Now I want one biggest number and one smallest number from these given numbers. How? But the number, any one of this number cannot be repeated. So how will you go? First, you have to find out the smallest number in these four numbers. So 0 is the smallest number, then comes 3, then comes 4, then comes 9. So I have asked you about the 4-digit biggest number, 4-digit smallest number. Is this a 4-digit number? No. So 0349, this cannot be a 4-digit number, because 0, when you write the 0 first, this number will become the 3-digit number. So what just you have to do, exchange these two numbers, first two numbers. That 3 will come to 0's place and 0 will go to 3's place. So 3049 is the smallest 4-digit number. Same thing, if we go from right to left, that is 9, then 4, then 0 and 3. But no, just look this. In these two numbers, which one is the greatest number? 3. So the 3 number should come first and then 0. So 9430 is the biggest number. Whenever the 0 is given, that time you have to take care of the number 0. That it should not come at the first place and it can come at the last place. Okay, so just remember this. Next question. I have given you these numbers 0, 4 and 9. From this, you have to make the greatest and smallest 4-digit number by using any one of 8-digit twice. So when the question is given as any one digit twice, then you have to remember, whenever you write the greatest number, which number is greatest of among this? 9. So you can take 9 number 2 times, and if the smaller number is 4, but 4 in this 0 is there, so 0 you can use twice. Smallest number is 0, that you can use twice. Bigger number is 9, that you can use twice. So greatest 4-digit number is, which number comes first? 0 or 4? 4. So 4, 0, again 0, because we have okay, sorry, small mistake. I have told the greatest. So we will come to greatest number. 9 is the greatest number, so we can take 9 2 times. Okay, that is a hint. Always remember whichever the number, bigger number, that you have to take twice. So 9, 9, then comes 4 and then comes 0. Likewise, you have to write the number 9940 is the biggest 4-digit number. Then we come to the smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit. That, which is the smallest number? 0. But you cannot take 0 first. So you have to write first 4, then take 0. Again you can take 0, because 0 is the smallest number. So we have to take 0 2 times, and then last is 9. So 4. In this number, the 4 is also smaller than 9. But the question is, you have to take the number twice, that is smallest number. As we are writing the smallest, so we have taken the 0 2 times. Okay, here also greatest number is 9, so we have taken greatest number 9 twice. Don't take 4 2 times, because if we write 9440, which number is greater? 9900 or 9400? Obviously 9000. That's why keep in mind, whichever the bigger number is there, that comes twice. Whichever the smallest number, that comes twice. Okay, so there won't be any errors in your equations. So next question, I have given you 2 number and 3 number. Here I will ask you to take both the numbers equal number of times and make the number 4-digit number. So how will you make this 4-digit? 2 times, that is 2233, that is 2233. Next option 2323, this also comes, that is 2 times, 3 times, that is 2323. Next, what is the option? 3223, that is 3223. Again 3232, 3232. Likewise, we can use these 4 numbers. We can do the 4 numbers. So these all are the possibilities that we can make from these 2 numbers. Likewise, you have to you can make so many numbers using the 2 digits or 4 digits, 3 digits. Okay, related to this question, examples, I am going to give you the homework on that, so that you have to do it on the same day. If any queries, you can ask me on the WhatsApp only, on my personal. Thank you. So your first homework is textbook page number 3 and 4, which I am going to click and that photo will be sent to you. Thank you. So we are going to end up this session now, and we will again meet in the next session. Thank you.